friends, I'm Mishra from class 2D. How are you? I hope you enjoy your summer vacations. Today I'm telling about endangered animals. It is lion. The number of lions is continuously decreasing in our country. We should do our piece to save lions. Lions inhabit wide range of habitats, from open to plain thick brush and dry thorn forest. Lions usually hunt and eat medium-sized to large hoofed animals like wild intest, zebra and antelopes. Lion has a strong compact body and powerful legs, teeth and jaws for pulling down and killing